So I decided to move my power cell batteries, like these batteries, which I was used to live in a footwell, but it was occupying quite a bit of space. So I wanted to bring it to the frunk. So what I had to do was I had to open this area. For that, basically you have two pieces you need to remove. This piece has basically two clips and two screws, and they go right underneath. Like if there was a glow box there, it goes right underneath there. So you have to go in, lean and look upwards, remove two screws, remove two clips. It still doesn't come out easily. Then you have to remove the floor plates, which is this. And for that, it's not very easy or clear cut, but the plate goes like this inside the car. So you have to lift this area, and there is two 8mm bolts, and then you have to pull this area, and there is a Velcro, so it's kind of intimidating. You just have to stick your finger here, try to pull it up and pull it, and then just pull it so the Velcro will come off, because we can't reach behind this to unscrew the Velcro. And then when you lift it, there are two more screws. So you take that out. Those are also 8mm, so total 4 of them. Once that's out, you look inside. And there is that wiring harness going in. So at 7 o'clock position on that wiring harness, you can make a hook of your finger and stick it, and you can feel the grommet. So then what I did is I removed the trunk liner, and that comes here. So I stick some hook here and pull it out. So this grommet came out. Then I had my son pull the hooks here and pull the grommet out. Then I had my son put in his finger, and I can see it inside. So then I passed a straightened hanger from inside. When it came out, I took the fishing string, attach it to the hanger, pull it inside, and then I tied the wire for the dash cam, this end, and slowly push it in, not pull it, because if you pull it, you might damage this connector. So I threaded in and I pushed it while my son gently pulled it out. So it came out, and then that grommet, 11 o'clock position, I put a little cut. So I didn't have to make a hole in the grommet, but where the wire is coming out, right there at 11 o'clock, I put a little bit cut on the lip of the grommet, and then push the grommet back in. So now wire is there. Now this wire, I'll pass it through the battery compartment here and put my batteries here.